On this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram. You can send messages for 3 days easily and fast. Hello guys, so all what you wanna do is open your Instagram app, and now as you can see, this is my profile. Go to the top right here, click on those three lines, and then go to the settings. Open this help option, click on it. Click on this report a problem so you can report the problem that you have. Now click on report problem without checking. Now you need to wait a few seconds. On this page you have to explain the problem that you have right here. You can tell them that you have a problem of you can't send messages for 3 days, and right here you need to take a screenshot for the problem, or you can send an image from gallery. Click next, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.